Alright, folks, it's Benny here.
Wow.
And today, my human is making some homemade dog treats. Let's see how this goes. She starts by mashing up a banana. I'm standing here, right in front of the bowl, giving her my best. What are you doing?
What?
Look. Seriously, humans have the weirdest ideas sometimes. Next, she pulls in some oats that she blitzed into flour. I'm a bit skeptical at this point. This is looking kind of strange, but I'm keeping an eye on her. Gotta make sure she doesn't mess up my snacks. Then, she brings out the peanut butter. Oh yeah, now we're talking.
Yummy!
My tail starts wagging, and I get a little excited. Peanut butter is the best. She mixes it all together, and it's looking promising. She moves to the counter, and I can't see what's happening. She's shaping the mixture and putting it into these cool silicone baking molds shaped like paws and bones. Fancy stuff, huh? Into the oven they go for 15 minutes. I get as close as I can to the oven, watching intently. This smells amazing, and I'm getting more excited by the minute. Finally, the treats come out of the oven, but then she says they need to cool. Come on, human, haven't I waited long enough? I'm practically drooling here. Kiwi, my partner in crime, is also eyeing these treats with great interest. At last, they're cool enough to eat. She gives me one, and oh my dog, it's delicious. I munch on it like there's no tomorrow. Kiwi is drooling and giving me the sad eyes, hoping for a taste. Another successful treat session, and I have to say, my human did pretty well. Until next time, folks.